Hi, my name is Rudy Geldenhuys and I am the author of the LifterLMS Bulk Registration add-on. In this video we're going to deal with the importing of CSV data, and this is the wonderful part about this add-on. Imagine company A approaches you and says to you, all my employees, all 125 of them have to be registered on your system for this wonderful course of yours. Will you do it for us quickly? Now you can say to the guy, okay, let each of your 125 employees register on our system manually, or let them register online. And what an effort that will be. Half of them won't register, half of them won't understand how to register, and it'll be a total shambles. So what do? You use this bulk registration add-on and you register them very easily by means of a CSV import. So the first thing that we have to do is to actually set up the CSV import, and the CSV import is basically an import from a spreadsheet functionality, and we'll use a spreadsheet like Excel, for example. Here's an example of an Excel spreadsheet where 7 users get registered simultaneously, and all that you do is you email the blank spreadsheet with only the headings filled in to your client, and you say to him, let your HR lady please complete the particulars of your 125 employees for me on this spreadsheet, and kindly sir send it back to us. Now you receive the Excel spreadsheet back with all 125 employees' details entered. In our case, let's keep it simple. Let's keep it to just 7 people. Right, so this is your spreadsheet, and now we have to go and save the spreadsheet, which is at this stage a normal Excel spreadsheet with an Excel adjective at the back, and we have to convert this spreadsheet into CSV data by saving this spreadsheet as comma delimited CSV file. Now be very careful when you are in certain parts of the world. If you save an Excel spreadsheet as a comma delimited file, a CSV file, the system will use something else or something other than a comma to separate the different fields, and it'll most probably use a semicolon instead of a comma. So the first thing we have to do is we have to go and make sure our system is ready to save as a comma delimited CSV file. How we do that? It's quite simple. In your Windows environment or other operating system environment, you will go and open up your control panel, and you will navigate to region, and under additional settings you'll have your numbers section, and your list separator must be a comma. Sometimes you get it as a semicolon, sometimes you get it as a pipe symbol, so go and change that to a comma. Apply it, save your settings, apply, save your settings, and close your control panel. Now your Excel will be ready to go and save the data here as a comma separated CSV file. So how do we do that? We simply go to File, save as, and we select the folder where we want to go and save it, and we choose CSV delimited as the format to save, and we go and save the file. I've already saved a file as csv.csv, and that's the one that we will use. Back to our Import CSV Data page, and now we can go and import that CSV file. So we go and browse in our computer to the actual place where we have saved the CSV file. We go and select it, and there it indicates a selection. The next thing we have to do is to go and click on next step. And it details to us the comma delimited data that we'll be importing, and it uses, in terms of our settings, our plugin settings that we've specified, the first line of the Excel spreadsheet with the user login, user email, user password, first name, last name, LLMS underscore phone, LLMS underscore identity underscore number, and LLMS underscore ethnicity, and the data in those fields for all of these users that we want to add. Now we can do one of two things here. We can go and create a user information form, which will take us back to a similar form as what we had with the manual entry process, and the only difference here being that all the fields will already be populated. The other method, if you are sure that this works for you, is to skip that form and go and add these users straight away by clicking there. And once again, as in the case of the manual entry form, it'll take us to a next page or results page where it indicates that we have now successfully registered 6 users to our system, and it also indicates that it has emailed you a list of the people that you've registered in this fashion. Back to the Import CSV Data page, and I have to inform or advise you to carefully read the information on uploading CSV information. The paragraph in red talks about that list separator, and that we have to make sure that our system uses commas instead of semicolons, and the rest explains in more detail what CSV import is all about. And that takes care of the video that we've done. Thank you for watching. Our next video will be on importing an email list.